Okay, so student, in the previous virtual class, we are learning lastly the undo and the redo option, and I am hoping that you are doing that program for it and practice for it also. Again, revise one thing: shortcut keys for the undo is the Control plus Z and redo for the Control plus Y. Now we are going to learn about the next topic, that is the paragraph properties. What do you mean by the paragraph? You know that what is the meaning of the paragraph. Whenever you are writing a sum of the sentences together in the lines, for example 5 to 6 lines, that it will make a one paragraph. So in the open office writer, whenever you are making a document, it will be take as a paragraph of it. So we are learning the properties of that will be show the much better for you whenever you display, whenever you show your document to others. First is the line spacing. Line spacing means the space between the two lines. For example, here you can see that I am writing here one first line, this is the second line, third line, fourth line. Line, when you know what is the meaning of line. Spacing means space between two lines. यहाँ पे आपको first line दिख रही है, second line दिख रही है और उन दोनों के बीच में थोड़ी सी gap भी दिख रही है. That gap is called the line spacing. Paragraph with a single line. These are the types of the line spacing. First is the paragraph with single line spacing. Here you can see that single line spacing means that will be has a small space. That will be by default. Here you can see that space between two lines are this much. Second is the paragraph with 1.5 line spacing. Both are the same paragraph, but space between the lines are much than first paragraph in the second paragraph. It refers to the amount of space between the lines of text in your document. Shortcut keys: single space line, Control plus 1, double space line, Control plus 2, 1.5 line spacing, Control plus 5. So I will be show you that. First, you have to be I'm selecting the whole paragraph. After selecting the paragraph, then you have to go for the format. If you don't remember what is the shortcut key for that, you have to go for the format, select the paragraph, then you have to be click on the first option, that is the index and the spacing. Here you can see the third option about the line spacing. You can see that by default it's a single 1.5 lines. You can see demo also here, so it will be spaced. You have to be see the changes what will be came. Again paragraph double. Okay, so it will be changes. Okay, I'm doing one thing. I'm using the Control Z. For the first paragraph, this is the first one. By default, it's a 1. Format, paragraph. Click to the 1.5 line. Okay, so line spacing will be changed. Second one, format, paragraph, double. Okay. Then you can see what is the changes between them. These you have 1.5 line spacing here. This is the double line spacing. Doing the third one, format, paragraph, single to the proportional. Okay, it will be by default. That will be show that how can it will be perfect for the paragraph. At least here you have to be see the changes. If it made, then you can use it. But most of you have to be use the single 1.5 and the double. I'm using the shortcut key now. I'm pressing the Control plus 1, means by default it's a Control plus 1. I'm pressing the Control plus 2. Sorry. uh, format paragraph double, and you can here also use the control Z for the undo operation, right? So this is the line spacing. Using of that, you can create space between two lines. So task for today is that you have to be create a one paragraph in the document in the OpenOffice Writer, and you have to do practice for the single, double, and 1.5 line spacing. Hoping that you will do the practice for this. Bye everyone. Have a good day.